Okay, let's start with Google's Gemini AI. I have here a prompt in which I am giving it an example of a business from Cali which deals with selling and renting some houses, but it was unable to give me a generated form. It was giving me guidelines. I don't think so. It's basically working as a guideline and not as an AI assistant here. So let me ask it a very direct question. Probably that might help us to get a direct response. Okay. It is not. Basically, the answer is it is not able to do that. I think we should move to ChatGPT and check if ChatGPT can directly give us a link or a formulated form, which can make it easy for our businesses and other important things. Okay. Why am okay? Let's complete it. I think I should just copy paste the prompt. Yep, I should copy paste the same prompt for making it easier. Yep. Let's see what ChatGPT can give us. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yep. I think I should move to the third website. That is the main website we will be doing, and the website will provide us with one-click solution for our AI form, and you don't have to do any hassling. The link is in the description, or you can directly search it. Once you search it, you have to make sure that you're going through the AI form, or if you go directly from the description, you don't need to think about that. Just create the same prompt that I had given in the ChatGPT thing. You can give the same prompt, but in a different manner according to your own businesses or according to your own needs. And in one click, it will generate a full form for you without any hassle. Right now, we're gonna see what kind of form will be formulated. Yep. So here there are options of uploading an image and your organization name, which you should do to customize it more according to your need. And there are multi-dimensional things that you can do. I'm not adding a picture here, but I'm adding the name of the organization or the name of the business you're running, Palming. Okay, now let's see how has it done in one click. Okay, Vermont house selling. See, okay, it has already generated it. And not only that, you can publish it right there. There are different kind of analyzations and elements you can add to it, and you can right there publish it, and it will be available for usage. There are payment methods that you can incorporate in your form directly from here, and there are different widgets you can add in your form. It is crazy. It was very easy, and it was one click. You didn't have to do anything. Okay, probably 4 clicks, but you didn't have to do anything more than that, right? I think this is the app you should use. Link in the description, and go for it. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can also directly publish it from here, and there are different variations you can use through and add it through. Best of luck for your business, and tell me anything if you want me to talk about, or you want any help in any other thing.